Public company reporting topics. Now, this is going to talk about some forms that we have to file if we're a public company, right? 10K, 10Q, lots of little regulations. Those are memorization based questions. Maybe you're familiar with those from work. If you work with public companies, great. Memorize those questions, get familiar with them. One of the big kahunas here is going to be the EPS. We've got basic EPS, diluted EPS. What are those? What do they mean? Well, those are super important. That's the earnings per share. Why is that super important to public companies? That's what investors care about. For better or for worse, that's what investors care about. And that's a hot topic always in the world of finance, right? Because a lot of managers, CEOs, high up executives get bonuses based on the earnings per share. And that's what short-term investors look at is, oh, what was the earnings per share in this quarter? How much money, net income, was earned per share of the company? It's a metric of profitability, so you can see why it's super important to these public companies who have to report to all their investors and make themselves look as good as possible. There are a lot of points I can say for this, and I'll say it as we get into the topic more so. Think about this, right? So it's net income available to common shareholders divided by common shares or weighted average common shares outstanding during the year. I'll get into diluted when we actually get into the topic. I don't want to, jump you on the summary right here, right in the nice overview. Lots to see here. Focus, memorize the formulas. There's so much in this exam. The last excuse you should have is, oh, I didn't memorize something. Memorize any formula you see, especially the ones I'm going to tell you and beat to death and tell you need to know. Memorize them. Memorizing is a gift on this exam. It's something you don't have to worry about exam day because you can just recollect it from your mind. Treat your mind like a textbook that you've stored information in. You're going to do just fine. This section may be new, might be a lot for you, but let's demystify it for you and let it not be an issue. Let's jump right in, and I'll see you there.